Are you tired of paying for 5, 6, even 10 different tools just to run your online business? One tool for your website, another for funnels, then email marketing, automation, courses, it never ends. And worst of all, they don't even connect smoothly. What if I told you there's one platform that does all of this, at a fraction of the cost? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how I replaced an entire toolbox of expensive software with just System.io, and why you can do the same. Let's be real, growing an online business is tough enough without juggling 10 different tools. Here's what usually happens: you set up a website on WordPress. You try to connect an email service like Mailchimp or ActiveCampaign. You add ClickFunnels for sales funnels. Maybe Teachable for your course. And before you know it, you're paying $300 to $500 every single month, and still wasting hours trying to make things talk to each other. Sound familiar? That's exactly the trap most beginners fall into. And honestly, it's why so many give up before they even launch. But it doesn't have to be that way. This is where System.io comes in. It's an all-in-one platform built for people like us, entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, anyone who wants to launch online without breaking the bank. Funnels, email marketing, automation, memberships, affiliates, courses, everything you need under one roof. And here's the crazy part: it's beginner-friendly, takes minutes to set up, and costs less than dinner out. Let me walk you through how System.io actually solves these headaches step by step. Backhand index pointing right first, your website. Forget paying developers or spending weeks on WordPress. With drag-and-drop templates, you can launch a site in under 10 minutes. Backhand index pointing right now, what's a website without a way to sell? That's where sales funnels come in. System.io gives you proven templates for lead generation, sales, webinars. Just plug in your product and you're ready. Backhand index pointing right, of course, funnels only work if you follow up. That's why System.io has built-in email marketing. Unlimited emails. No restrictions. And yes, your funnels and email lists are automatically connected. Backhand index pointing right, but it doesn't stop there. Imagine automating your entire business, from sending welcome emails to delivering online courses, with a few clicks. That's the power of automation inside System.io. Backhand index pointing right. Speaking of courses, if you're a coach or digital creator, you can host your online course or membership site right inside System.io. No need for Teachable, Kajabi, or Thinkific. Backhand index pointing right. And if you want to scale, activate the affiliate program. Let other people promote your business while System.io tracks commissions and automates payouts. Backhand index pointing right. You can even sell physical products, run evergreen webinars, book appointments with the built-in calendar, and manage your clients or brands with sub-accounts. It's literally everything you'd need to run your business, without the chaos. So let's put this in perspective. Normally, you'd be paying for WordPress, $30 to $50 per month. ClickFunnels, $97 to $297 per month. Mailchimp or ConvertKit, $50 to $100 per month. Teachable or Kajabi, $50 to $150 per month. Zapier for automation, $20 to $50 per month. That's easily $300 to $500 every month. System.io replaces all of these, starting at under $30. That's not just saving money, that's saving your sanity. Now, I know what you're thinking: this sounds amazing, but where do I even start? That's exactly why I created a free step-by-step PDF guide. It walks you through building your first funnel, connecting your email, and launching your business, with screenshots for every step. No confusion. No guesswork. Just follow the guide and you'll be live in under an hour. Backhand index pointing right. The link is in the description. Enter your email, and I'll send it instantly. If you've been overwhelmed trying to piece together multiple tools, System.io will feel like a breath of fresh air. Simple. Affordable. All in one. So grab the free guide, test it for yourself, and start building your online business the smart way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.